If you're training to achieve the handstand push-up in a freestanding, don't make the mistake of trying them directly in full. In this video, I want to show you 3 easier variations that are very often not practiced due to lack of knowledge. The first is the transition from frog to tuck handstand. This is the easiest one because in this way the shoulders start from a higher point than in a normal handstand push-up. To perform the full movement, you need a good shoulder mobility, but if you haven't enough, the third exercise will be better for you. If you feel that you still don't have enough strength to go up, you can take advantage of the swing. And if you can stop in a tuck position, you can also extend your leg upwards. Probably you will fall, but it's not a problem for the beginning. The second exercise on the other end is the handstand push-up in one leg. The push-up performed in this form is much easier than a handstand push-up in full, and the advantage of this positioning is that thinking about keeping your knee towards your chest will allow you to keep your pelvis in retroversion. Be careful, don't push your leg towards your back because this will still open your pelvis. Let us now move on the third variation, where we are going to perform a diamond. In all our focus, we'll have to shift to the lower body, so arms and chest. This is a very good variation that you can take advantage if you don't have enough mobility to perform a proper tuck. And remember that at the moment of action, all 3 forces must intervene: vertical thrust, horizontal thrust, and thoracic flexion. So the focus should be in the lower body, and the legs should try to remain as still as possible. Try this 3 variation and see you upside down.